As I was saying, y'all need to be careful because the onion can let you cry. I don't know, like I was cutting it fine, and then when I start using the rest of the cutting board, like tears literally come down to my eyes. Like it literally.
Metro don't trust you. I'm gonna shoot. Beautiful morning. Yeah, the sun in my morning bed. Nothing in the morning.
Hey guys, it's your girl Shantana Redman. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a preparation video to actually cook Sunday dinner tomorrow. Today is actually Saturday, so I'm just gonna do a quick run through like how to prep your peas, how to season up your meat, put it to marinate for the time being. So first I'm gonna focus on the chicken for now. So I think this is like 2 pounds of mixed parts. I think it was like 2 pound leg. I think there's thigh in it as well, and breast. I don't remember if wing is in it, but when we start to get into the chicken, then we know. So what I'm going to use to season up the meat is that first thing first, you need a bottle of vinegar. I love cow's white vinegar. If you don't have a vinegar, you can always use lime, or you can use salt on the meat and use that one. We're going to use browning. This is Eve browning. We're going to need powder season, any type of powder season you have, Maggi, all-purpose jerk. I have a little pimento seed in this one. It's not much, but that is what I have. And I have pepper, it's a yellow country pepper. I have onion, I have tomato, I also have garlic as well. So that's what I'm going to use. I don't have any skeleton thyme, definitely that's a must in my meat, and also sweet pepper, but because of the whole quarantine and the lockdown, like I'm going to use what I have. Okay. Hey guys, thank you guys for tuning in to my video. Please stay tuned for the official Sunday dinner vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl page. Thank you.